Magandang araw po ulit and welcome to another video. So ang tanong, are you upgrading from using a built-in graphics or magbibuild ka na ng PC with a dedicated GPU? Please share it in the comment section kung ano ang objective mo while watching this video. In this video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-install ng isang dedicated na GPU. Though in our sample, we will be using this Intel ARC A750, pero we will try to make the procedures applicable regardless kung ang gagamitin mo ay from nvidia or AMD na graphics card. So first things first, kailangan mong i-prepare yung iyong PC case. Most of the cases ay merong PCIe slot covers. It is either stripped or screwed type. So depending on the slot design ng GPU card na napili mo, kailangan mong tanggalin yung ilang mga covers to access yung mounting points ng iyong GPU. Hindi mo naman kailangan tanggalin lahat. I suggest to visualize yung alignment kung pang ilang slot yung kailangan mo tanggalin based on your GPU. Madalas tinatanggal yung topmost part, then depende kung 2 slot or 3 slot yung GPU mo, dagdag ka din nung tatanggalin na PCIe cover. And now that you have removed yung PCIe covers, then may sasalpak mo na properly yung iyong GPU. Sa pagkabit ng GPU, make sure to check your motherboard design kung ano yung recommended na PCIe slot na pagsasalpakan ng graphics card. In most cases, ito yung PCIe location na nasa topmost part and closest dun sa CPU. Kapag na-identify mo na yung socket for the GPU, just slot it in and make sure na properly aligned yung card mo bago mo i-DN sa motherboard at i-fit securely yung GPU. Meron niyang lock clip and once it clicked or marinig mo yung clicking sound, then it means na in place na yung iyong GPU. As long as aligned yung placement mo ng GPU, just press it further to secure yung connectivity ng PCIe lanes sa motherboard. Then, pwede mo na i-secure with screws yung bracket ng GPU itself. Para hindi din basta-basta umalog yung GPU in an event na kailangan mong bitbitin or galawin yung mismong PC case. Now that you have secured yung placement ng iyong GPU, syempre kakailanganin ito ng power to operate. Nowadays, aside from the power delivery ng motherboard itself through the PCIe socket, yung GPUs also has an added power port to run it properly. It is either 8-pin, 8+6-pin, 2x8-pin, 3x8-pin, at yung exclusive design for now ng nvidia na 12-pin power connector. So from your PSU, meron itong PCIe cable na dedicated to power up yung iyong graphics card. Ito yung dedicated power cables na gagamitin mo to plug in dun sa GPU power ports. At kung sakali man na yung GPU mo ay merong more than one na 8-pin GPU port, I recommend na gamitan mo din ito ng magkahiwalay na PCIe power cable if your PSU supports it. In most cases, yung isang PCIe cable attached sa PSU is designed to accommodate up to 2x8-pin na GPU power ports. Pero if yung PSU mo naman ay merong more than one na PCIe cable, para distributed yung power delivery, better to use multiple PCIe cables to each GPU 8-pin power port. One PCIe cable into one GPU power port, kumbaga. Okay, congratulations at naikabit mo na yung GPU physically sa iyong motherboard at sa PC case. Sigurado na rin tayo na may enough power yung card mo once you boot up your system. Pero wag mo muna ituloy-tuloy yung pag-close ng casing. This time, i-test muna natin kung properly detected ba at working yung GPU by performing some post or power on self-test. Just plug the monitor cable from your GPU display ports, yung keyboard and mouse naman sa motherboard back panel, then power on mo na yung PC. If you've done the physical installation correctly, then you will see the usual display while your PC is powering up. If may OS na installed ka na, no need to boot up until the OS itself. Pasukin mo lang muna yung UEFI or BIOS at least. At kung galing ka naman from an iGPU build, make sure to disable yung iGPU from your UEFI settings before booting up sa operating system. This will save you time if in case may ma-encounter ka na boot or display issues while powering your system up. At the same time, ensuring that your system is using the graphics card itself. Kapag nakaset na ang lahat, then you may go ahead to completely close yung iyong PC case. Dahil sigurado na tayong gumagana at nadedetect yung ating GPU, it's time to install na yung drivers ng inyong graphics card. Depending on your GPU manufacturer, whether it's Intel, AMD, or nvidia, go to their website, search for your GPU model, and download the latest drivers available and install it on your PC. By default, pwede mo pa din magamit yung PC immediately to perform yung basic tasks, pero to fully utilize yung capability ng card, kakailanganin mo yung drivers and relative softwares para mag-deliver properly yung GPU, especially if you will be gaming on it. At the end of the installation, it may ask you to restart your PC, then enjoy using your newly installed GPU. Then to add na lang din, we will be sharing also an optional steps na pwede mong gawin right after you install yung GPU mo. First is to explore the software that comes along with the driver's installation. Check the other settings and features that can help to optimize or fine-tune yung performance ng iyong GPU based on your needs. Secondly is if in case na meron kang old drivers installed in your previous GPU, you may use the DDU software to completely remove yung mga files and dependencies which are already irrelevant since running ka na with your newly installed na GPU. Then that's it. Enjoy your new GPU and hopefully nakatulong itong video na ito if in case you are exploring na mag-DIY ng iyong PC build. At kung meron ka din na gusto pang idagdag bukod sa mga steps na na-mention ko sa video, please feel free to share it in the comment section below. Muli po, maraming salamat for tuning in and God bless.